Well, I'm gonna just walk you through real quick how to build a website with Hostinger. I should have already went. I thought about it after I did it. So anyway, I went through the process. Um, Let me show you real quick how we did it. So I already bought the website already. Blessed Unity, right? So what you want to do, right, with Hostinger, just sign up. Right, there's a link below. Um, you come over here to websites. You go to create or migrate a website. You come here, hit create new website. Right, you want to build. For my strategy, what I do, I build a website with WordPress. Right, hit select, and then you're gonna go through that, put your password in. Right, um, right, and then you want to continue, and then you do all this. Right, pick which ones you want. You want Sidekick. You don't necessarily need WooCommerce or this because I use Rank Math. You could use AI SEO. Pick your theme, right, and then you could use ChatGTP, of course, right, to give you a website description, right? So I told ChatGTP what it is. You're a Christian couples counselor and life coach. You give relationship advice and help singles. Give me a website description for blessedunity.com, and it did that. And then you throw it in there. Then it's going to, after you do that, it's going to ask you to buy a domain, right? So then I already did that, bought the domain. So I'm gonna finish the registration. Um, Very simple, right? So now it's just going to register the domain. It's going to get an email, verification email, and now what Hostinger is doing, and this is how we can create content. We can put out, we can build a website. We can build a website every day just by yourself, right? You can hire freelancers just to do this, right? Freelancers will up, just give them a bunch of domains, give them access to your account. Say, hey man, go at it, man. I mean, you can give them a card. You can give them a card. I can give you a link where you can get a card where you can load money up on the card and you can approve every purchase, right? It's like an employee card. You can load up $1,000 on there, $500 on there, and you can just give them a list of domains, or you can already have your domains, right? And just tell them to buy the domains. Boom, boom, boom. Go through this, and you go watch your day doing other things, building your business, right? You can hire this stuff out, and now all this thing does everything by itself, right? Or you can just do it by yourself too, man, if you like making domains. But when you're ready to scale, this is how you can start building 5, 10, 20 websites in a single day, right? You can make hundreds of websites a week. I mean, you can build this thing out to scale. And you can do this with Hostinger because Hostinger is powerful, right? And then you don't got to pay people as much to design the website because it's already done. Now maybe the development side, the back end, right? You could probably pay them a little bit more. Probably pay people will be happy, right? Especially in the Philippines, they will be extremely happy with $20, $25 a website, right? You give them 5 websites a day, they make $100 a day. All right, boom, boom, boom. You can just crank these things out. All right, so you can come here to your control panel, or you can enter your website. Right, it's done. How long did it take me, man? Literally less than 2 minutes, right? Probably 3 minutes altogether. Like, look, we've been on here for 4 minutes, right? And this is the back. This is the website, right? It's already preloaded with content. I mean, of course, you can go in here and edit it, right? And you could change the theme. You can do whatever you want, right? Um, but you're building these websites at scale to flip. Remember that. And you can make them as beautiful as you want. You can do whatever you want. This is your business. You can throw in an Elementor theme. You can do all that. You can change all that if you want. Um, I leave it like that. You know, they already have the links on there. You know, depending on which, you probably want to get rid of this because I'm going to be targeting Christians, and they're not going to want to see that, right? So then, what you're going to do is you're going to come back in your back office. of your WordPress site, and then you want to give your VA your key to WP Core, right? And then you install WP Core. You go to and DreamHost websites are fast. I mean, look how fast this website is, right? Like super quick. Let me log into WP Core, right? And then do this one. Grab that, and you can copy this link if you want to. You know what I mean? You can start your setup with this, boop bop bit. But let's go to WP Core, go to settings, and then it's going to load up. I gotta sneeze. Excuse me. Just hit save, and it's going to load up all your plugins, and then begin installing plugins. Right, hit install, hit apply, and it's going to load up. You don't need that many plugins either. You could do some niche plugins, right? Every niche is going to have its own plugins, right? And then it's just going to load the plugins up by automatically, and then you just got to go in and activate them. But and have the person set it up exactly how you want. Boom, 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 boom. I would not have them set this up because you're going to need don't have them set up the Sidekick because that's your email where everything is logged in at. But everything else, let's go back to plugins, right? And this thing is fast, man, right? So look, all the plugins that you need is already loaded up. You got your ads where you can load up your affiliate sites. You got your AI powered thing. You got your, if you need a Kismet or not, you get your classic editor, Cloudflare, which you probably don't need now. So yeah, I gotta go back and edit it. Because Hostinger is a lot faster. You can do Elementor, Hello Dolly, definitely don't need that. Come on, right? Look how fast that thing deletes, right? Eternal Link Juicer, Optimizer, Rank Math. And I'm not going to go right here and build the website out, but you get the idea. You get it, right? And then you load it up, run some traffic to some low targeted keywords and high volume, low targeted keywords. And you get up out of here. You know what I mean? On to the next one, man. Put it up for sale, either at Flipper or if you got private, you got a list, set it to a list, put it in Facebook groups. I mean, whatever you want, man. The domain name itself is worth, for this website right here, is worth $1,900. And after I put my magic on it, after I put my juice on it, it's going to be worth so much more, right? So this is what flipping websites can do. Anyway, I highlight you. I just wanted to show you real quick how you can build a website with Hostinger super fast, super quick, and you can literally build 100 websites a week doing this.